Good day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a super flavorful Vietnamese dish, grilled beef skewers wrapped in betel leaves, also known as bò lá lô. These juicy little rolls are bursting with bold, fragrant flavors, absolutely mouth-watering. Fun fact, bò lá lô is a beloved street food in Vietnam, especially in the south, where it's often grilled right on the sidewalk over charcoal, giving off an irresistible aroma. You'll find full list of ingredients in the video description below, so be sure to check that out. Now let's jump right in and get started. You need about 75 grams fresh Chapu leaves, also known as Betel leaves. First, separate the leaves from the stems and give them a good wash to remove any residue. Then place them in a basket to air dry. Fun fact, betel leaves aren't just for cooking. Traditionally in Southeast Asia, they're used in ceremonial offerings and even believed to have medicinal properties. Next, soak 5 bamboo skewers in cold water for about 10 minutes. This helps prevent them from burning on the grill. In a large mixing bowl, add 300 grams of lean ground beef. Add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of minced shallot, 2 tablespoons of minced lemongrass, 'Use a spoon to mix everything well. Fun fact, lemongrass is a common ingredient in Vietnamese cooking. It not only adds citrusy brightness, but also helps tenderize meat naturally. Now add the seasonings. 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of pure honey, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half teaspoon of ground black pepper. Mix it all together until well combined. Then cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rest for at least 30 minutes so the flavors can really soak in. After 30 minutes, Give the beef mixture one final stir. Now take a betel leaf and lay it flat on a plate or cutting board. Scoop about a teaspoon of the beef and place it on the leaf. Gently roll it and then skewer it through the center with a bamboo skewer. Fun fact, in Vietnamese, bò means beef and shallot refers to the wild betel leaf, literally making beef in betel leaf rolls. If your leaves are small, feel free to double up for better coverage. Repeat this process until all your leaves of beef are used. If you have leftover beef, just shape it like a little sausage and grill it as is. Still tastes amazing. Lightly brush the skewers with vegetable oil to keep them juicy during grilling. Preheat your barbecue grill to around 150 Fahrenheit or 65 degrees Celsius. A medium heat setting is perfect. Place the skewers on the grill and flip them every 20 to 30 seconds to prevent burning. Grill for about 5 to 7 minutes or until leaves are wilted and slightly charred. You hear that beautiful sizzle and smell that irresistible aroma. It's incredible. Fun fact, in Vietnamese cuisine, grilling over open flame is key. It adds a smoky depth can't just replicate on a stovetop. There you have it. Grilled beef skewers wrapped in betel leaves. Tender, savory, and packed with flavor. Serve them as an appetizer or pair them with a rice noodles, deep fried spring rolls, fresh veggies, and a drizzle of fish sauce for a full, unforgettable meal. Thanks so much for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your foodie friends. Got any questions or tips? Drop them in the comment sections. I love hearing from you. Fun fact to end on, Vietnamese meals are all about balance. Sweet, sour, salty, spicy, and umami all work in harmony. Bò lá lốt fits right into that delicious tradition. Until next time, keep that good appetite and you won't be disappointed. See you in the next video.